Welcome to Ami's Cooking. I'm Ami. Hi friends, today I'll show you fun, fast and easy way to make potato chips in microwave using these skewers which I have washed under the running water so that it's wet and it would not burn in the microwave. I have also washed the potatoes with the brush. I'm not gonna peel the potatoes. You can peel the potatoes if you like. And some oil to brush the potato chips when we're ready to microwave. I'm gonna start with the small potato. We can cut the ends of the potato. And with the sharp edge of the skewer, we're gonna try to make a hole in the potato. See, it's now on the other side. Now keep the knife at the angle. We don't want to cut the circles. We want to continue cutting the potato in revolution. So, it goes all the way down and make a spiral. So, let's start doing that. You touch the skewer with the knife and then rotate it. And when you come at the end of the first slit, you can go down. If you have a potato spiral machine, you can use that. But I don't have a potato spiral machine, so I do it with hand. Same way we're gonna cut the potatoes. If you think this is difficult, you can just cut the potatoes in thin chips and individually you can put it on the skewer. I am almost at the end. Okay, I think my potato is cut nicely. So I'm gonna slide the potato gently and open up this spiral a little bit. My potato spiral is ready and now we can brush it with a little bit of oil. Now this potato, I'm gonna just cut the circles and then individually put it on the skewer like this. Make it nice and even the thin slices. If you make the thinner slices, it would come out crunchy. If you make it a little bit thicker, it would taste like French fries. So either way it will taste good. See the thickness of the potato slice I'm making? Same way you can make the chips out of ratalu, yam, or from sweet potato. Okay, I'm gonna individually put the potato slices on the skewer. This skewer is wet. I have washed it under running water so that it does not burn in the microwave. See the individual potato slices. All you have to do is make sure that you have little bit space in between each potato chips so that it cooks evenly. I am also making sweet potato chips in microwave, same way we're making the potato chips. I'm gonna cut the circles. If you want, you can peel the potatoes and sweet potatoes, but I like to keep the skin on. I think that would be enough. So I'm just gonna put the sweet potatoes on the skewer. See, now this sweet potato is ready to. I'm gonna brush it with little bit of oil on all sides. Rest this skewer on a container which is high enough so that the skewer does not touch on the bottom. Now I'm gonna microwave this for about 4 minutes and see. It's been 4 minutes, but I think I'm gonna put it for 2 minutes more. My chips are ready. You see, nice and golden. It took me about 10 minutes to get the brownness because I cut it a little bit thicker. If you cut it thin, it would cook faster. When you see the brown spots, your chips are ready. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. And let it cool down a little bit. You see how crispy the potato chips are. I'm gonna take one out. You see how crispy the chips are? It tastes so good and fresh. Can you hear the crunch? It tastes so good. These sweet potato chips, they're also very crunchy. They're heavenly. So good. As you can tell, this is such an easy recipe, so please do try and let me know if you have any problems. Put it in the comment box and I'll reply to all your questions. So good. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.